Good morning. He's wagging his tail. Hi, Jesse. You waiting for me? It's about 7:30 in the morning. He hasn't barked or anything. He just waits for me to come down. Right? Good morning. Good morning. Did you have a good sleep? You did. Jesse, you want a treat? Want a treat? Up. Okay. Can you sit? Sit. Can you sit? Good, sit. Give me your paw. No. That's a paw. Yeah, lay down. Have your paw. Good. Good boy. Ready? Good boy. We don't give him a lot of treats, but we usually reward him if he goes outside or we get him to sit or stay. Let's see if he'll stay. Stay. Good, stay. Come. Come, Jess. Good boy. Ready to go outside? You gotta go? He has not gone yet, and it's 7:45. He hasn't had to go out yet. Gotta go? Hi, Jesse. As you can see in the background, there's a piece of my rug missing. Yup. From when Jesse was a little puppy. And unfortunately, I didn't notice he was doing it until it was too late. Right, Trouble? But he doesn't do any of that stuff anymore, and he never chewed any of the wood. All the chair legs and all the molding is fine. But we do keep the baby gate blocking the upstairs because my boys still have a lot of fun toys and animals and things that Jesse would probably mistake for his own toys. Right, Jess? So he doesn't go upstairs unless we carry him up and we let him come in our bed a little bit as a treat. Otherwise, he stays down here. Right, Jess? I love you. I love you. I love you. He loves to lick your hand. He loves to lick your hand. Yes, he does. See ya. You want to play? I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you.
Whoops.